Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this and asked how you could draw that the easiest. I had to really kind of think about it because I came up with a couple of different ways and there's probably more. I'm going to start off holding down the control button and draw a square. I'm going to just make it 15 inches. I'm going to hit P. And then I'm going to take an ellipse, holding down the control button so it's perfect. And I'm going to make a 15-inch square or rectangle or ellipse. Then I'm going to have it snap to the center, and then I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard, and I'm going to move the other side to there, and you can already see what I'm doing. I've already practiced, so I'm going to make it yellow also. I'm just going to make the two objects yellow. I'm going to nudge them up out of the way, and I'm going to delete these lines. And then I'm going to nudge them back, and you see what we got. But what you can do, I must have accidentally moved one of them because they should be touching. Well, they are touching, you just can't see it. And then it's just so easy just to take this and mirror it, take this and mirror it, and you got that shape. Now you've still got lines in the middle, if you look. So if you just wanted the color, when it's in this form, you could weld it, and then you shouldn't have any lines in the middle. You should have your outlines because you've got to have outlines. But there's that shape. I actually did it another way first, but this would work probably the fastest. I don't know what the logo is, but it could be pretty cool. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.